Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Dean Jones don't come outside and talk about Nicolas Pepe's future at Arsenal. So Babako dey say as Pepe dey now, say ever since Pepe come out for Arsenal, say Arsenal don't evolve into a better team, into a stronger team now. So for that reason, for those who dey talk say because Pepe if he come back or still get future for Arsenal, say other one no dey possible again. He has no future at Arsenal. And at the same time, Babako dey make one remarkable point because they talk say Arsenal overpaid for Nicolas Pepe when they buy him from Lille in 2019. I think we bought him £72 million that we overpaid. Get now, first something we say we're supposed to go buy another player, we can't go buy that one because at the end of the day the deal no work out fine. So for as long as him they like in the picture from what in the think say Pepe no get future for Arsenal. And myself I second in thoughts, I subscribe to his line of thoughts. As Pepe dey now, Pepe an average player, Pepe no get future for Arsenal. Okay, we want bench for the wing, we ain't want play. See now all those dribble when they do. It's not possible now. No people play for us. No people play for Saka wing. No people play Martinelli wing. See now Trossard didn't go bench. What we want? I want to do one. So we just die that matter. All right. Away from that, so Teddy Sheringham will be one of the Tottenham Hotspur faithfuls. Don't come outside call the talk say you know once make Declan Rice go join Arsenal. So Baba Sef can give him reason why he say so. Say as Declan Rice the guy go enter Arsenal, come make Arsenal a better team. Because so for that reason, with him bias, you know go want make the guy join Arsenal because Arsenal are already good. You get so if that one Sef can enter, he go take Arsenal to another level and his own team, maybe Tottenham Hotspur, they be shit packer at the moment. They don't know what they do. They try to sack their manager now to bring in another person. So I never know what will be their own plan. You know, say Bayern Munich sack their own manager Nagelsmann. So Spurs the reason to sack Conte or let him go at the end of the season. They will come bring Nagelsmann. And guess who is the new Bayern Munich coach now? Thomas Tuchel. And the guy said don't come out our press conference. But they thought Bayern Munich is going to win everything this season. They're going to win the league in the German league. They're going to win the DFB Pokal. They're going to win the Champions League. You get so I don't know. Get as God did do something. Just imagine say maybe Chelsea come with Bayern Munich for Champions League. Or that match will be cracker. You get so we'll just watch as everything they turn out. Alright, Odegaard said don't come outside call the talk. So when he first joined Arsenal, saying in the shock, you can say he was shocked at Arsenal's detail-oriented manager in Mikel Arteta. Say this guy, the little details where you know they pay attention to, now go bring out. They let you know so okay, see this, see that, and anything where they tell them for the dressing room, like before the match, you get those things they really even tell talk say. This opposition and long ball they go do, they go gang mark you, they go double mark you, all those things when they talk, they always come to fruition. You get say, and that's why he like the manager and he's very good at his job. They read game, they read mind. After they don't play, you go rewatch the tape. When they point out some kind little details, but they say you're supposed to do like this, you're supposed to do like that. Be a quick tip, like she just they amazed at the manager. Alright, Mesut Ozil when they retire from football, we don't retire actually, don't come outside call the talk say as it stands now, he no hold any grudges against Mikel Arteta. You get until we all know what's up now. We Mikel Arteta ostracize him, can't go put for bench and they pay a salary last night, they come pursue and come out, all the bad energy, negative vibes. You get so at the end of the day, the guy come out for Arsenal, you get go join Fenerbahce for Fenerbahce, Istanbul Bakishar. From there, Baba retire because he just get issue upon issue for wherever in they go. You get so he say no hold any grudges against us. In fact, say in the pray make Arsenal win the EPL for a very long time when they never win them. So he's supporting us. Get so he just want to close that chapter. I don't want to reopen all those things so they don't happen again. He don't close them and bygone is bygone. Well, basically, I like what's in there. I don't believe say at Bolan don't come and second they advise Mitoma, you get Kaoru Mitoma of Brighton, say make him no join Arsenal. So Baba can give him own reasons why he feel say if Mitoma join Arsenal, he no go do good for him progress. But because say many a times most small players when they play for small clubs, when they play very well, when they score goals, they go leave there, come go join a big club, maybe for 60-70 million pounds. At the end of the day, they no go deliver. Again, say no go do good. Say make it continue in development for there. Sometimes no be more say go big club. If people say you are destined to shine in a small club, it happen like that. So may just stay when they enjoy football. Because there's many examples. And what as they talk, say one name just come to my mind. Again, Bissouma of Brighton. Bissouma was one of the best players in the middle of the park. Everybody they sing in praises. All of a sudden, they just make that big money move to Tottenham Hotspur. In chapter just closed. Nobody hear anything about him. Calvin Phillips was once a good player in the midfield for Leeds United. He went to Man City. Have you heard his name again? Now so it will be. So what I'm going to talk now true, but it doesn't apply to all players. It is not a generic situation. You get. And some people it they affect. Some people they go move from where then they go a bigger club. Their name go hear their name the loudest again. They will display again, especially when they are given playing time. Somebody like Calvin Phillips, his major issue has been playing time. Rodri they bench him. You know they really play because he's a defensive midfielder. Bissouma, I don't really know the reason why he even buy himself in the first place. So that like that. Another name where they come my mind now, Jet Spence, Nottingham Forest. So people they fight for him. It goes Spurs. What's happen? No hear him again. Alright, even Trossard self don't come as psychologists saying grandpa he gets now being biggest inspiration when it comes to football, because when he was very very young and they trained how to become a player, the right foot in they use then. Now in grandpa now force him to when they use in left foot. Because say if you want to be a very very good player, we say coach you will get choices that to play you must be very very versatile. You must be able to play with both feet again, because only a handful of players can play with both feet. They are a rare commodity again, so you need to make yourself a rare gem. That is why as in day he can play left wing and play right wing, because he's two-footed, and that 2 foot wing they use they wipe equal shots. Get two of them they do very very strong. That is why if you are a defender defending against him, you don't know how you go take mark him. So all thanks to his grandpa. So let's move on. Emile Smith Rowe don't score for the under-21 of England against France. So they play France and score. So are they very very happy for him scoring, at least getting that scoring ability back. The guy don't come back to match fitness, even though he never they play plenty matches for Arsenal. But I need to make I don't score like this, don't come back. At least with the boy, go they gingered up. You get that ginger, you know. You go one play for us. I miss I like him because these 10 matches to go, we need all the help we can get as we dey play. Unless I forget the match with Spain and Norway play yesterday, and Spain beat them 3-0, but that's not even the issue. That's not the news. The news about this match now the fact that Rodri give Odegaard one kind leg breaking challenge wey lights the social media on fire. Everybody just dey complain say maybe na Pep Guardiola instruction say make Rodri go there and take out our captain from the face of the earth. I will see some of the comments they like. If you read the comments, they put everybody they para. Like, how do you do that and the referee no give him any penalty yet? And it was obvious for everybody. Say, oh, they not even for the only left leg. Like, well, I thank God at the end of the day it wasn't an injury to him, so we just go. Because Rodri, I believe, say no I'm gonna say Odegaard is Arsenal's best player on a good day. So they are say then take him out, they don't wipe out our creative spark against, but go past them. Odegaard will shrug him off and they will come back, come play for Arsenal April 1st. By the time we face Leeds, well, it has happened. Alright, so Kolo Toure don't come outside on the talk say Arsenal must sit down Saka and tell us to make him sign a 10-year contract again, because they need to keep the best legs at Arsenal, somebody like that. Even Ogaman himself they come out and talk say as this guy Saka, we need to sign up for eternity. We'll sign up for a lengthy contract. See, the way me I see this Saka issue, me I like that. I never say don't agree verbal contract, but I never hear how many years be the contract. I don't say no go past 3 or 4 years again. So well, I will be say 3 or 4 years, you will still renew them again, because like what you Kolo Toure they talk about, they talk say the major problem at Arsenal has been that they've always been doing one mistake of letting their best players leave. You know, they always renew them, but I believe that was during the era of Arsene Wenger. Even what did they call them? Unai Emery. No, I don't think so. Unai Emery really sell any of our stars. I don't think so. Arteta, Arteta never sell any of our stars. Instead, they have been keeping them and selling off average players and bringing more top stars. So now what Arteta don't they do? So this is not the era. This was not when we were building our stadium. We are not owing anybody. We have money, so we don't have an incentive to go and sell our best players. It is a no-brainer. It don't make any sense. So as it stands now, we are keeping our best legs and adding more. That's what we are doing now, and throwing away some of our shit packers where they collect money and they are not playing. Add more competition, bring good players, put them on the bench, so that at least people like Saka will get much breathing space. If you have somebody like another Saka, maybe Musa Diaby, maybe Yeremi Pino, somebody in your bench there, Saka will get rest. And Saka not going to play when they play 68 games on the stretch, play 70 games on the stretch. What's happen? One killer. So that's what I'm expecting. So let's just see how things are going. Also we call it here according to AS. Now the fact say Arsenal, City, United say all of them don't they ready to pay Gabriel Viegas release contract. Get so about 35 million pounds. Say 9 they go say 9 million release fee. So all these clubs only ready to pay. So who will come collect this guy at the end of the day? That is what me I cannot say. Because from the year Celta Figo they ready to sell as long as anybody go activate in release clause. The boy they very very good. Some people don't they link him to like Saka and Phil Foden. Say he's a very very good, like he's one of the best young players in the world right now. So the guy they very very tricky, very pacey, very very good. He can still develop. He never reach a peak. Even Saka when they talk say Saka, he never reach a peak. He gets. Imagine how Saka go be when he don't reach Saka in 25 and 27 years. Like the guy go with mad experience. I don't just know how he go be. So close just to watch everything at the end of the season because we all know Arsenal is also looking for another winger. You get that one a priority. You get a winger, maybe a defensive midfielder, and one centre back. You get very very key. So and the right back, and the striker. I'm gonna get very position on one side. What do you see how the season will end? Fabrizio Romano self don't come outside the talk say Arsenal still wants Moses Caicedo. He gets say because the guy still there for Arsenal shopping list. Arsenal still wants him. He gets so I don't say if they'll come for him again for the end of the summer. Brighton would be likely to sell, but I don't think we'll be offering the same kind of fee we offered in the beginning, that January era, because now we are spoiled with choices, a lot of options, especially when we finish for the Champions League slot. You get so we'll get a lot of options. People will choose us over other people. You get so it is what it is. So now what to make Moses Caicedo the vex that time say the opportunity when he gets to move to Arsenal, we say now only him Arsenal define, you may not likely get it again because at the end of the season everybody will down there relax. A lot of things will reshuffle their striker and player pack. Okay, so we'll be facing people like Sergej Milinkovic, Savic, Declan Rice, Moses Caicedo. The options, Martin Zubimendi, the options go there very, very much. Okay, so I don't know how it go be by then. So we just watch out, but confirm from Fabrizio Romano, Arsenal still wants Moses Caicedo. So let's just see how it goes. Now another talk on a year from the Santiago Bernabeu be the fact say Real Madrid won't sign Gabriel Jesus, so they really need him because Benzema is getting older and they need somebody who can play across the front three lines. You can play as a winger and can play as a striker. That's what they want. So this is why I said they say they want Gabriel Jesus, and it doesn't come to me as a surprise because now them Gabriel Jesus we won't sign for before he can reason Arsenal, but the deal no work out because of paperwork. Some kind of permit, some kind of paper shall they say they want, but Gabriel Jesus no get them at the moment. And then say they get less than only 3 Brazilians they eligible. I don't know how they explain that thing, but you know work out here. So Arsenal can't go for the guy, can't sign him. But now the reason they feel offer Arsenal 75 million euros to sign this guy. Well, I don't think Arsenal want to sanction that deal, especially when we are still looking at signing Rasmus Højlund. Now, after signing Rasmus Højlund, what happens to Gabriel Jesus? Who will be number 1? Who will be number 2? You guess because Gabriel Jesus is not that clinical and prolific, and that is what we actually want in our number 9. If not for wing, we'll go to play Gabriel Jesus. Let us draft him in the wing because he spends more time outside the number 9 position than in the number 9 position. And what we need is a fox in the box that can put the ball at the back of the net. So, do you get my drift? You understand what I'm saying? So that's what we need. Alright, talking about Rasmus Højlund, so Manchester United don't they set to rival Arsenal in signing that player. You get so I don't know how it will be. Arsenal really need a striker, Manchester United really need a striker, Chelsea really need a striker, even though Lukaku is coming back from Inter Milan, but whether they will loan him back, I don't really know. At the end of the season, if he go sack maybe Graham Potter and bring another coach, we will call like Lukaku, so I don't really know. So Master Fast said don't they talk to him even collect that Lukaku for their hand. So we go feel they use the guy better than them because them they keep play a career. You get Chelsea get the number 9 chorus. You get how do you go to Inter Milan, play very well and come to Chelsea and flop? Who does that? You get so that's the part of the things with me I don't really know. So this Rasmus Højlund is going to be a very very hot cake at the end of the season. How much Atlanta go on sell them? Highest. I know say they go reach £100 million, 60-70 million. If you do okay to buy the guy, and all these clubs so they're interested in the guy, they are all they fit pay him, they fit pay the money. So that they see how this thing will end at the end of the season. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.